You know what Boudreaux told Thibodeau when Thibodeau said he wanted to give back something to the community? Boudreaux said, "Ma chère Thibodeau, you give what you got." Well, today, somebody up in Wisconsin is getting something that they didn't even know they had. I'm T Mike, and this is the moment you've been waiting for. Today, 3 things. Number 1, I'm going to tell you how 300 people tried to win a free motor. Number 2, I'm going to tell you why one answer made me stop reading and call my wife Rachel into the shop. And number 3, I'm going to introduce you into the next generation of the Save the Hobby. Back in April, I pulled the sheet off of this 1955 5.5 horsepower Johnson CD12, and I told you how I was going to give this motor away for the Save the Hobby mission. This is not just a giveaway, it's a mission, Sha. Every motor we save, every young person that we put their hands on these motors is another step towards saving the hobby. Over 300 of you raised your hand and said you wanted to be part of the Save the Hobby mission, and I read every one of the entries. But before I get to the winner, I need to tell you about somebody named Ron. Ron's from Iowa, and he drove all the way down to Louisiana, Toledo Bend Lake, not to win anything. Ron drove to Toledo Bend to donate this motor, along with tune-up kit, Gearcase kit, tools, manuals, gas tank, flywheel puller, not to win anything, just to become part of the mission and donate this motor. No cameras, no fanfare, just here you are, T Mike, let's save the hobby. That's me and Ron right there, just 2 old boys taking a picture together with the motor, just trying to save the hobby. So between Ron and I, we're providing all the tools: flywheel, pyrometer, spark checker, timing tool, carb kit, tune-up kit, Gearcase kit, impeller, parts manual, operator's manual, service manual, puller, hose, 2-line gas tank. So there you go. This all goes with the motor. Now, 300 entries, and I'm going to tell you something. I did not pick the winner from a hat. I read each entry and asked myself the question, who is really committed to carrying this hobby on to the next generation? And as I read through them, I started out the top 10, then down to the top 4. And when I read this entry form, it just blew me away. I'm going to tell you who it is, and then I'm going to read you what he put down. It's Rob Nelson from Pardeeville, Wisconsin. All right? Here's his entry form and what he said. The question was, how will you help promote the hobby for future generations? Rob put, if I win, I plan to work with my grandson on the restoration, showing him all the T Mike tricks and secrets to bring the dead motor back to life and the full glory she deserves. The motor will be his to show his friends and spread the vintage outboard motor message. Doing it one motor at a time. That did it. Rob, you're the winner. So Rob Nelson is the winner. Here's pictures of Rod and Lucas. Apparently they're fishermen's up in there. It's his grandson. And the answer was too good to pass up. Congratulations, Rob. You're the winner. So Rob and Lucas, your motor's on the way. I'm working on the shipping crate right now. I'm almost finished. I hope to ship it on June 22nd. So, Lucas, when you get this motor, it's all yours. All the parts that I've laid out for you to receive are in the box, ready for you to consult with you on getting her to the full glory of what you want to do. So be ready for the shipment. It's headed out in about a week. all crated up, boxed up, ready to ship to Pardeeville, Wisconsin, to Rob and Lucas. Now Rob, when you and Lucas get this crate, make sure and take photos and videos of opening up, taking her out, and the process of restoration, so we can show everybody else that there is a way to save the hobby by sending out free motors to worthy people who are willing to do the work. Now we need to ask you something, all right? The motor was donated, and I've got other people want to donate money. The shipping is expensive, so if you want to help the mission, you can help defray the costs by going to the Free Motor Giveaway entry form, click on the donation tab, $5, $10, whatever you can afford to help defray the cost. I'll do the rest. So help if you can. And before you go, I got one thing to tell you. This is not a one-time deal. I'm going to give a free motor away every 3 months. That's right. The next free motor giveaway is on September the 15th, 3 months from today. So go to the free motor giveaway link. It's down in the description on my website. Re-enter the form. Put your description of how you want to help save the hobby. Make a little donation if you like, and I'll announce the winner on September the 14th. I'm T Mike, 73 years old, damaged but not dead yet. Working on these motors, trying to save the hobby. We can do it together. Don't forget, links down below for my website for your parts, technical consulting, mail and repair, everything you need. Remember, save the hobby.